Okay, welcome YouTubers and Hubsan Zino enthusiasts, and a very Merry Christmas to you. It's the 22nd of December, 3 days before Christmas Day, and today I want to do a very quick video on a new battery, GiFi or GiFi power. I received this about 10 days ago. Hopefully you can hear me over the wind. It's very, very breezy here today. So this is rated at 3200 milliamp hour, which is about 200 milliamp hour more than the standard Hubsan battery. The other features, it's about 25 grams lighter. I can't remember the figure offhand, but I'll post it up here when I get home. And the other factor of this is it does not have any battery protection circuitry. So this battery will not cause this to just fall out of the sky, because this battery will not cut itself off. So that's another feature, but I'm just going to try today. It's untested. This is the first time I've used it. I'm going to put in the quad. We flew here a couple of weeks ago with an old 1-year-old battery and got 21 minutes. So I'm expecting 21 at least with this, and maybe a couple of minutes longer. But I don't know, it's brand new. I've only charged, I haven't really even conditioned it. Normally I would condition a battery first by individually charging each cell. I haven't done that. This is straight out of the box, straight in the quad today. And we'll see how it goes, and we'll report back at the end then. So, I mean, I'm quite confident it'll do 20 minutes, 21 at least, because that's what a normal Hubsan battery does. But who knows, I can be proven wrong. So let's get on with it. And it's cold and windy, quite breezy actually, and it's going to be a struggle to fly this, but I want to get it out of the way. So let's see how it goes. So there we go, started the video, quite breezy here today, so hopefully this is going to come out over the wind noise. And this is the new battery, and let's see how it performs then. Okay, well, it becomes obvious as we go on that the wind noise just drowns out any commentary, or most of the commentary on this video. So I will overdub the necessary parts where there's any meaningful information. In the meantime, we'll get back to the live audio and run through this battery and get it down to 0%. And just before anyone asks, the gimbal is still faulty and has not yet been repaired. So I'm going to speed this video up because there's nothing worse than watching 20 minutes of nothing much happening. So apologies if it looks like it's a Benny Hill show. So I'll probably speed this up by 3, maybe 4 times. Interesting, quite a breeze coming back in here today, right down to 4 meters per second. Right, now get on with the flying then. My camera, brilliant. Yes, Okay, while all this is going on, I'm just going to jump ahead to the end of this video to save me overdubbing towards the end. So, as you see as you go along, this battery lasted for 22 minutes and 18 seconds or thereabouts, which is what we would normally expect for even the Hubsan batteries. So no real change there. I expect it may give you slightly greater capacity than the standard ones, but that's hard to say in these sort of tests. The defining feature of
this battery pack, of course, is that it does not have any battery protection, which means that it will save your quad from falling out of the sky should the protection circuitry fire, as there is none in this battery pack. And that is the reason I will be using it on critical applications across water, over trees, etc. And I will keep it specially for that. Anyhow, back to the remaining few minutes of flight, or 10 minutes, whatever it is, and see how we get along.
Okay, so we've had our first battery warning at 40%. That's at 10 minutes. So we'll see how it performs after this. Okay, so that's 30% battery warning, and that's 11 minutes 45 seconds. Okay, so that's a battery warning at 25%. And 14.5 minutes. Okay, 20%, and we've got a return to home, which we don't want. Cancel. Yes. So 20%, and the dreaded low voltage return. once again, ready to return to home there. So we're now at 14% and coming up to 20 minutes. So this battery looks like it's just going to go on forever, which is unfortunate because all I really want to do is get packed up and go home. Okay, there's 40%. So I'm going to go that's it. Okay, we're at 10% now, and so this is the normal time when we go into this auto land mode. So you can see to keep it in the air now, I've got about 10% throttle, just to hold it level here. And we also get the low battery warning as well at 10%. 21 minutes now, so this is now exceeded the previous battery where I flew a couple of weeks ago here. That was 21 minutes and that was a 1-year-old battery. We're down to 2%, so 1%. 22 minutes 18 seconds down to 0%. Okay folks, that's it. That's the battery flown. 22 something minutes. I can't remember off. I'll have to look back on the screen recorder. But hope you enjoyed it, and more coming up soon. New features to discuss. So with that, all the best, Merry Christmas and good flying in the new year, and I'll see you all again soon. Cheers.